All right, yo, today is a fun one. We're driving right now up to middle of nowhere, Wisconsin to meet my friend Coda. He's got a super cool Amazon business. And in fact, he's actually made over $250,000 this year going to retail stores like Ollie's and Marshall's and just reselling that stuff on Amazon. So together, we're going to go meet up with him and just get a walkthrough of how he runs his business. Super excited to have this conversation. And for any of you guys watching, it's going to be a great way for you to learn how to start a successful side hustle of your own. Because one thing that's especially cool about Coda in particular is he's not actually been selling on Amazon for that long. So it's a really good insight as to see how to learn the business quickly. And especially for anyone watching, if you've been thinking about selling on Amazon, his story and what we're about to do together should be a pretty good view into what it'll look like for you to run an Amazon business for yourself. But we're a couple minutes away, so next time I see you, we'll be with the man himself. I'm excited to get into it. Man, Coda, what's up?
How we doing?
I'm excited to see how this madness works, man.
We're about to get to it. You ready?
Let's do
All
it.
right. Oh, you got to grab two. Always got to manifest. If you grab one, you ain't getting enough.
All this stuff in here. What do you pick for?
I like to do the HBA, some grocery. Certain brands I like to target. These snaps might be good too. I think Apple's going on right now.
How much have you made shopping at Ollie's so far? If you had to ballpark it.
And profit, I was at 250K. I think I'm at 300K now.
Profit?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
How long did that take you?
I've been selling for a little bit over 2.5 years. Okay, so we got these guys, 279. Go check out the soap. Well, those cookies are good. I also like to hit the coffee, one of the first things. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Someone already got the toothbrushes.
Somebody? I think I know who that somebody is.
No comment. No comment. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
You got something?
Oh, yeah.
Have you just come across these before?
We've been getting them for a little bit.
Perfect.
See what they're looking at. Let's see if they're still good, because you always want to check. Anything can happen. It could change tomorrow. There's an 18-ounce exfoliating volcano, 16-ounce. Might change the bottle. Jump over to SellerAmp now.
We got the phone in black and white too.
Dark cedar amber. Let's just try scanning the UPC. Maybe there's a single.
So you always just take a picture of it basically?
Yeah, I always like to scan the front of the product. All right, so wait, hang on now. Hang on now. I just scanned the UPC and it came up as volcano. This is the old volcano. I would go with the 4-pack.
So you'd sell on this here?
Yeah, I'd still sell on here. This was the old volcano bottle.
So what's the profit on this look like?
All right, this one right here. So it's $6.99 each. And oh yeah, that's pretty good. We got 10% off discount too, of course. Okay, we're gonna pop it over here. Okay, so this is it, yeah. So 7 times 4, 10% off. That comes out to $25.20 and selling for $63.99.
You love to see it.
Nope. All right, we'll take
How many
this.
we got down there?
Oh, looks like only one here, unfortunately, yeah.
So when it was your first time coming into these stores, you scanning everything on the shelf. You're gonna inspire a lot of people today. How'd you get after it when you're starting?
Scan everything and request approval. See what you can sell, and you just go from there. Say you can sell one brand, scan everything of that brand. See if any of it's profitable. See what else we got here. Some more Dove. I always check the top shelf too. People act like it doesn't exist or something. Finding gold up there all the time. I don't think they restocked on.
Sold some of this brand before.
Let's check it out.
Let's see if I can hit us on an item here.
Okay.
It sells, it's just cheap.
But if it does sell, let's see if the bundle though.
So you're checking for a stick pack, whole pack that might be profitable when selling it one at a time is not.
Or if there's the shampoo conditioner set, that's usually always pretty good. I don't see multi on that. Strike out on that one. Right when I get into the store, I like to see if I find at least one thing that they have a decent amount of, and then I just go from there. Let's go down here. This might be better here. Yeah, what else? Fun stuff.
How long does it take you on average to find a product?
It depends what store. These look good though. Sold this brand before. Expires May 26, and there is 190.
What's the rule on that? What are you trying to do?
Let's say it has 180 tablets and it expires in 5 months. You're not going to be able to eat them all. That's not going to work. You can pretend it does, but it's not going to work. Okay, so we'll do these little critters, vitamin D. So these are 190. 2 offers, 46K sales rank, 232 5-star reviews. Amazon's on this. I do want to see something though here. Sometimes Amazon will jump on it, but they'll have like really far delivery dates.
So you're trying to see if other small sellers have made some sales too?
It says they have some stuff in stock, but maybe their delivery date, sometimes it says usually ships 2 to 3 weeks or whatnot. Let's see. I'm going to bring up the Amazon listing too. Amazon, let's see, the delivery date is... Okay, it's actually pretty good. They only have 8 in stock though. So now I'm going to take that Asian, copy it. I'm going to bring it over to the Keep app right here. Maybe potential. It's 400 sold in the last month, you know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, and it's on the rise.
Let's see.
Amazon has 8 in stock. Bought in the past month is going up. Offer count's still low, and the sales rank is going down. It's not the greatest play, but it's halfway decent. I'd probably list it in the store right now. As long as I'm buying it the same day, the invoice will be on the same day. Yeah, so we can list this right now. How much is it saying? $4.99?
Have you ever been sold out on something before you even checked out?
Yeah, so we found the tents, and I found a really good one, and I found 12 of them. I listed them in the store, and brought the carts to the front and grabbed 2 more carts, filling them up. My phone's going crazy. And I was at like 2,000 in sales, and I refreshed. I was at 4,800. I sold all of them before I even paid for them.
You love to see it.
Oh yeah, dude. Hopefully it happens right now, every time. I would be FBM in this because it did say Amazon had 8 of them, but more are on the way.
So a lot of people are scared when Amazon's on it. You're just checking a little bit of data, you like them?
They have 8 of them. It says more's on the way. If they were that close, they wouldn't even say more's on the way. You know what I mean? I wouldn't go deep on them, no. But this could be a nice little squeeze. Because once they run out, there's only one other seller. How we doing? You got some more toothbrushes in the back for me?
I don't know.
Oh, man. Is Karen here?
Yes, I'm gonna work. She's written off. She was up front.
Oh, okay. I'll go hit her with 2 full cards. She'll remember who I am. Let's see. So here, I'm just going to list this really quick. Shoot. It was a vitamin C, right? Vitamin D3, yep. D3. And then I know if it does sell here, every other store I'm buying all.
So like when you find one item.
Yeah, it's not just, okay, you go to Ollie's, I'm spending $4,000. Doesn't happen. You're finding one item. You might only find 4 really good items. You know what I mean? And then you go to the next store and you grab those 4 items. Then you might find one more there. You're slowly building the list.
So then by the time you hit 5 or 10 stores, you got 20 things that you know to look out for.
Then you do it for 6 months, then
Yeah.
you got a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, so this is 190.
What's the most you've ever spent at an Ollie's at once?
It was within 2 days because it was a soft opening and then a grand opening. We went to the soft opening the night before and then went to the grand opening in the morning. And between those 2 days, same store, 9,900.
How much are you gonna make off that?
It's hard to tell an exact number, but based on my numbers now, probably 2,400 is a profit.
Nice.
All right, so we're gonna list these bad boys. We'll do $16.99. I'll work for me. This stuff, I think I'm gaving on this stuff, but this stuff, pretty sure rips. Body Fantasies. Let's check this one out. $1.99. Okay, so we found something. The sales rank is high. How about the sets? The sets are either really good or they're terrible.
Yeah, these little gift sets.
Rolling the dice. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Let's hit the UPC. And yeah, we'll try it anyways. But how much are this? $2.99, so $2.70 with the discount.
Trying to get it ungated.
I'm trying. Well,
So if it asks for documents, you always skip it, or you ever get an invoice?
this time of year, if it's 10 or 100 units, you got potential. But if it's over that, risky play. Because what if you buy a bunch of units here and then you go buy 300 units and then you don't get ungated? Then what? It looks like you smell like Body Fantasy for the next 3 years. You know what I mean? All right, here, let's try this one now. Japanese cherry blossom. I feel like that's just the same. Okay, so this one's $2.99, selling for $12.85. Amazon's on it though. I'm gonna get away from that one. All right. Anything else over here? What about these guys? You sell this stuff, right?
I've sold some of those.
I bet these are really good. Where's the date on here? June 26. And we got 150. 2 gum. Oh yeah, this is good. This one might be for you. Oh, what do we got here?
Cooking?
I think so. That looks like it. Yeah. 150 count. Women's multi. That's it. So 2110.
A lot of them up there.
Yeah. Looks like your cart's going to be more full than mine right now.
That's an L.
Yeah. Low price 2110. 62K sales rank. So I'm going to click on the title here. 100% of the shots you don't take, you miss. These look good.
I'd be getting an invoice for those. You just get like 10 from Walgreens.
Oh, I think it's more than 10. Let's see. Okay. So these are a little bit worse.
You ever gotten stuck with a whole bunch of something?
Nike socks.
Really?
Yeah, I think I have enough socks that I could wear brand new socks for the next 22 years or something like that. Fresh every day. Unfortunately, yeah.
How many did you buy? What happened there?
It was last year, early Black Friday sale. We over leveraged since we were sourcing Nike for a year and a half. And we spent $71,000 at Kohl's. Most of the items sold it for 3 days, sold 22K. And then at 3:43 or 3:44 p.m., there was an email that said your listings are going to be inactive for Nike, Lego, Olay, Converse, and Hasbro. And it said it's going to be inactive in 8 hours the next day. So yeah, that sucked.
A lot of people quit. Why didn't you throw in the towel? What kept you going?
I had $6,200 in Kohl's cash I still had to spend.
Okay.
Why we over leveraged? We had $6,200 in Kohl's cash, found a different brands, went deep. If this didn't work out, we were done. We would not be in Ollie's right now. And it worked out. So bounced back from that, from spending that, we made, it was like 10 or 9K profit after everything. And here we are today.
No good on this vitamin?
It's not for me. You want them? They're yours. Let's see what else we got on here. You can get by here. We got some toothpaste. What about this guy though? I bet this thing rips. Burt's Bees. Okay. Mountain Mint. Let's see the expiration date. Always check the expiration dates. All right, October. It's a year from today. Halloween. Cool. $7.99. Mountain Mint. 18K sales rank. Amazon's on it. And some big wholesalers. I don't think that looks too profitable, but they'll probably sell instantly.
How much do you want to make on an average item?
17% profit margin.
Gotcha. So something like that you might buy if it's a little slower, but still.
If it's flying, I'm okay with making like $1.20. It has to sell really fast. Over 1,000 a month for sure. Oh, well, this is 1,000 a month. Look at that. 720, 10% margin, $1.88. Amazon's on it too. I'd probably pass on this one.
not quite profitable.
Close. It's close. Toothpaste is wiped out. All right, let's see what we got going on. Anything down here? Automotive, you can find some gems in there. I'm getting tired. I think we need to find some coffee.
Is that one of your favorites?
Usually has velocity. Some of them, you find the right ones, they move pretty quick and they have the profit. Oh yeah, here we go. We're stocked up. Yeah. All right, let's go over here. All right, Green Mountain. Okay, I usually like to walk around the whole thing, scope out what we're looking at here. I know those are good right there. We'll let you pick one randomly. Any of this brand.
Any of these
Any-
identical things randomly?
Any of the 8 o'clocks.
Here you go. Let's see. What's this going for?
All right, what we got
So
here?
they got it for $5 in store.
Okay. That's a 4.1 here, and this is a 3.4 ounce. Is it the same? Here, let's do the EPC. real
Never
quick.
have anybody unhappy with that.
No. All right, so it's $9.99. That's cutting it real close at $4.99. Let's try a different. Plus French vanilla. Okay, 72 count, $54. Sales rank is 416.
Do you just put a bunch of these in a bag together and sell it as a 72?
Yeah, so I would put 6 boxes, just get 6 of them, and then put in a box and either put in a bag, send an FBA, or just FBM them. With sales rank that low, I'd definitely list FBM to see if it is going to turn around fast. 200 units, ton gate. Correct. So that ain't gonna work for me. But if you can sell 8 o'clock coffee, that's gonna be pretty good.
So this is profitable, you just can't sell it?
Yeah. Let's
How
see.
much does it make?
Let's see. It has 27,000 reviews. That's huge. All right. How much do you think it sells in a month?
800 a month.
The rank's 416 in grocery.
Oh, okay. So that sells like 4,000.
I'm gonna say 5,000.
Okay.
Let's say. Okay, it says 50 plus. How'd that happen?
Probably that
Variation?
Yeah. So 50 of these a month sells
And-
for $55.
And that's 27.
So $10 profit.
Yep. FBM in it, just from experience. Then average would be about probably $9 to ship this. Comes out to $10 profit, a 19% margin. If we were to send it in FBA, it's still $9.57 profit, 17% margin. I wish I can sell this because we just take the whole entire shelf. We probably just take this whole thing and roll it to the front. We got these bad boys over here. There's got to be something. Yeah. Oh yeah. How about these? There's a bunch of these guys right here. Harry and David's. Oh, butterscotch looks pretty good too. Northwest blend, $5.99. We got potential here. Is it the same thing? Northwest. Just looks like it's a different angle of the photo.
That's a
18
match.
cups.
Yeah.
Boom. Okay. So this one's $13.97. But what's going on here though?
2 listings for the same thing.
Oh, we got 2-pack too. And then I like to scroll down too after I scanned it since they have other flavors. So see if there's, oh, boom, there it is. There's the butterscotch right there too. Is there any other flavors? Northwest, 1 butterscotch. Oh no, there's some butterscotch right there too. Okay, so yeah, I'm guessing this is a winner right here. Okay, we're gonna go with, we got one that's 45K sales rank. Oh, the one with the lower sales rank is actually selling for higher. So let's check this out. Expiration date, July 3rd, 2026. Decent. It says 11 on this variation. Here, let's pop over to the other one. Let's just grab the other one, see what the other one's doing. I'd rather take velocity over 50 cents. There we go. Bang. 100 plus on this one. So cost price is $5.99 right here. We have unlimited 10% off discounts, coupons, because you get 1 every 250 spent. And when you spend 4K, you get more than 1. So there's 540. We got tax exempt, of course. Sale price, I believe low price is $13.97. And we'll come down here. All right, so FBA, I'm thinking probably around $14.50. We'll check though, I know. Yeah, okay, so somebody just won for $13.99 and the buy box, we'll play it fair. I think we could get $14.20 though. So $14.20, so $1.90 profit. I would take this.
So you got 50 right there, at least.
Oh, when I say I take, I'm taking all of them. We're loading all these bad boys up. All right, actually, let's just put this in here. We'll make this the coffee cart. All right. You're probably wondering, sell 100 a month, there's other sellers. He's buying all of them. There's multiple listings too. There's a 2-pack. So we'll dig into it more when we get back. But safely, I believe, usually the estimated sales for most of these items, the sales rank is going down because people are getting it for cheaper. Price is cheaper, more people buy it. And yes, that is due with usually some offer count going up. Northwest blend. All right, there we go. We got them all. And yes, we got them all. You always got to leave one for the customer. So when they ask you, did you really buy all those? You could say no. I left 18 cups. Let's get the butterscotch caramel. That's got to be good. If Northwest blend, just, I don't know. I feel like I want to drink butterscotch caramel. I don't know what Northwest blend tastes like. Cold, maybe? Northwest? Oh, yeah, this one's good too. It's cheaper in price, but it's only one guy. Same sales rank. I wouldn't take the butterscotch caramel. We might even take all the boxes. This one. I don't know about leaving one for the customer and missing one.
I thought you said you always leave one for the customer.
All right, you know what? I'm going to buy one. I'm the customer this time. Remember the eating into the profits? All on that.
Okay.
Halfway decent. Okay, see, we could just pretend this is the butterscotch too.
That's
So
fine.
there you go. That's fine. Okay, cool.
All right, so now that you've got all this stuff, like what's the next part of the process? Obviously you pulled up the carts with profit, but what's next?
We go to more Ollies until they close. And then after they close, you bring it all home and then you can take off all the price tags, prep them, and then you send them into Amazon.
How long does it take for stuff to start selling?
It depends how you ship it too. We always do optimize. So it usually checks in the first box, I don't know, like a week-ish, week to 3 weeks. Depends what time of year, where the boxes are going, and how you ship it.
What else do you think somebody who's brand new to Amazon would wonder at this point?
If they're brand new, what is this guy seeing, what I'm not seeing?
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Yeah. So if somebody watched this far and they're wanting to give it a shot and they're wanting to get after it, like what's the next step for them?
If you don't have that account open, just open up the account, try RA. You can just jump right into it and just start scanning everything, requesting approval for everything. Something's got to hit eventually. And if you keep scanning, you will find something and just see if you like it. I wouldn't go too crazy with it, but it's like a treasure hunt.
And just for the people who are here this late, show them the proof on the phone, just so we got no haters in the comments. Yeah, and you're buying all this stuff just going to retail stores, right?
I would say 98% of it, yeah.
That's crazy. You're a crazy man.
Yeah, so year to date, 857,000.
Not too bad. Not too bad. The full-time income?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Definitely.
Love to see it.
Yep.
All right, so based on the slight hair change, you can probably tell I forgot to film this clip right after I was able to chat with my friend Coda. But I hope a lot of you guys found his story inspiring. If you want to check out links down below, I'll leave the links for the tools that he uses to source profitable products, as well as his social media. If you want to reach out, drop any questions, he's always happy to help out. It was really cool to be able to just follow him around today, get a look into what his business looks like. Being a retail arbitrage seller that's making well over 6 figures in net profit is really cool. And I hope this inspired some of you guys to go and start your own business, whether it is doing the exact same thing or just chasing that idea you've been thinking of for a long time. But if you found this helpful at all, please feel free to hit the subscribe button, the like button. All the YouTubery stuff helps me out a ton. And if you guys have any questions, drop those down below. And I really appreciate you guys watching this video. And if you want to see my recent run to a retail store where I found some profitable products as well, go ahead and click this video right